Okay guys, we are live. We're gonna do this 3 times, just like in the clubhouse when Michael does them. It's 12:02 a.m. Eastern. 57 guys in here this time. Sorry, I have to be quiet guys, because the kids are asleep upstairs. Here we go. Time 12:03 a.m. Eastern. First random. It's 57 items. 12:03 a.m. Eastern, second random. Again, 12:03 a.m. Eastern. We've gone 2 times. Third and final random, guys. Good luck. Craig Mackian. You win the what's this one? This one's the 4th one. So there's 3 times. 12:03 a.m. Eastern. Again, Craig. Congratulations. You win number 4. Number 5 just went up, guys, so get your entries in there, and we'll get number 5 done tomorrow morning. We are done. Time 12:04 a.m. Eastern. Craig, I have your info already, so I'll send the package out to you on Monday morning. Thanks, guys.